What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Rematch the Pro Edition on your PC. So this is a upgraded edition of the game Rematch, and if you follow these steps accurately, you are able to download this game much cheaper than on Steam itself, and it's completely legit. Now what we need to do is search up this game on Steam, so we will go to the Steam website, and after that we will go there. And now you can search up the game Rematch. So we will search Rematch, and after that you will see this game. Select it. Now scroll a little bit down and you will find out that the Pro Edition is currently €34.99. The price can be different in your country, so make sure to check the price out. Now once you have checked it, then you can click on the link in the video description and click on it where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage and we will research the game again. So search for the Rematch game, and after that we need to find the Pro Edition. Now as you can see, the Pro Edition is available here for just €23.74. So that is much cheaper than on Steam itself, where the price was €34.99. Now what you need to do is make sure this text is marked green, so the game can be activated in your country. Also check if you got the Steam key option. So we got the Steam key option, so you can fill in the key in the Steam application itself, and this package will be activated and you are able to play Rematch the Pro Edition on your PC. Now once you have found it, click on it. After that you can continue to order the Steam key, and after that you will receive it by mail. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!